Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
you need Nelson.
With just about 2 weeks to go until election 2024, KPVM Television had the opportunity to speak with Suzan Baucum, who is vying for the Las Vegas Justice Court Department 4 seat. Why do you think you have what it takes to win this year's race?
I have what it takes because I am passionate about Las Vegas and this community. I was born and raised here. I know this community and I know the people. Practiced law for 32 years and spent 12 years as a judge right here in Las Vegas as Las Vegas Justice Court.
It's safe to say Clark County has some unique cases.
It absolutely does. You know, Las Vegas is a 24-hour town and we have people that come here from all over the world. It's not just locals. So people come here for a day, a week, a month. They come here to enjoy the nightlife, the restaurants, whatever else we have. And sometimes they have a little scrape with the law and have to come down to the courthouse and see, one of the members of the judicial community.
Now, of course, we can all talk the talk, but who can actually walk the walk? We can all say, we can dunk like Jordan, I cannot dunk like Jordan. So why are you the best candidate?
With my 32 years of legal experience and 12 years as a prior judge, I can take the bench on day one. I have presided over traffic tickets, small claims actions, civil matters, the DUI court for 10 years, general criminal, domestic violence. I've done it all. I don't need to be trained. I can step into the courthouse and into the courtroom and be prepared and ready to go on day one.
What are some of the things we see here and experience that really touch your heart on a judicial and personal level?
When you come down here, no matter what the time of day is, you see our homeless population sitting on the steps, sitting on benches, trying to find food, try to get somebody to help them, somebody to listen. Sometimes they just want to have a conversation. Sometimes they need to be directed to services. Most of the time, these people aren't mean. They're not offensive. They are real people who have real issues and they're just trying to survive. I spent time working with Lincoln House, a home for unwed mothers in St. Paul, Minnesota, and it really was the first time that I had any interaction with what happens when parents kick their pregnant teenager out of the home and they don't have anywhere to go. And Lincoln House was a great organization for these young women and these children that could live there together. They helped them get jobs, babysat the children, helped them to become successful members of the community. And that sparked my interest. So for 20 years after law school, I ran the Nevada Law Foundation, providing legal services and funding for abused women and kids, senior citizens, and the less fortunate members of the Las Vegas community. And that money, that funding also helped individuals all over the state of Nevada. It's definitely one of the highlights of my career is being able to help the less fortunate members at our state and our community. I'm Suzan Baucum and I'm running for Las Vegas Justice Court Department 4. I am the most experienced candidate in the race with 32 years of legal experience and 12 years as a prior sitting judge. I am ready to take the bench day one to continue to serve the community that I was born and raised in and the community that I love.
Early voting has begun across Clark County and we can now cast our ballot at any polling location. Reporting from downtown, I'm Maria Centers for News 25 Las Vegas.